Welcome to the Big Cat Lover. I'm here to take you on thrilling adventures into the wild, from tracking majestic tigers to exploring the mesmerizing world of Himalayan birds. Whether it's the dense jungles of Sundarbans or the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, this channel is all about raw nature, offbeat wildlife photography, and untold stories from the wilderness. So, if you share my passion for big cats, rare birds, and the call of the wild, hit that subscribe button and join me.
As the sun rises over the horizon, a symphony of life awakens in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Sundarbans not only harbor a breathtaking array of flora and fauna but also serve as the last refuge for the iconic Bengal tiger. In our quest to unveil the mysteries of this extraordinary landscape, we embark on a journey that will test our resilience and showcase the resilience of the creatures that call this place home. The Sundarbans isn't just a sanctuary. It's a living testament to the delicate balance between man and nature. Our mission is to understand, protect, and preserve this fragile ecosystem. Imagination of humans for centuries. With wings that cut through the air like blades, the peregrine falcon is nature's aerial acrobat. Clocking speeds that can exceed 240 miles per hour during a dive, it's no wonder this avian marvel is often referred to as the fastest species on Earth. A master strategist, it relies on keen eyesight to spot its prey from dizzying heights. Locked onto its target, it plummets with breathtaking precision, talons outstretched, executing a mid-air ambush that leaves its prey with little chance of escape. As the day gracefully bows to the approaching night, a celestial symphony unfolds, a canvas of radiance painted across the horizon. Behold, the sunsets of Sundarbans, where the merging of earth, water, and sky creates a spectacle that transcends time. As the sun begins its descent, the landscape transforms into a living tapestry of warm tones, amber, coral, and gold. The intricate network of mangrove roots is bathed in a soft, ethereal glow, casting enchanting reflections upon the water's surface. In the labyrinthine waterways of the Sundarbans, where shadows dance upon the roots and the air hums with the rhythm of nature, an ancient presence silently glides through the mangroves, the water monitor lizard. As elusive as it is majestic, this formidable creature plays a vital role in the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. over the river banks like ancient guardians. The water monitor lizards of Sundarbans are the unsung heroes of this mangrove kingdom. Navigating the intricate maze of mangrove roots, the water monitor lizards move with an unparalleled grace, embodying the resilience required to thrive in the ever-changing Sundarbans environment. As the heart of the Sundarbans beats to the rhythm of the tides, a dazzling array of wildlife takes center stage. From the regal Bengal tiger to the elusive spotted deer, and from the acrobatic river dolphins to the ancient water monitor lizards, the Sundarbans is a heaven for creatures that have adapted to thrive in this challenging environment.
Good morning, good afternoon everybody. So how are you all doing? I am in Sundarbans. As you know, this is my second home. The first day it was all about a tiger sighting, which was being very well done by our guide. It was a brief sighting of 10 seconds, but whatever it was very entertaining.
As we traverse the waterways and delve into the heart of the Sundarbans Symphony, let us celebrate the diversity that defines this remarkable ecosystem. With every beat of its wings and every ripple in its waters, the Sundarbans whispers a message of coexistence, this extraordinary wildlife heaven for generations to come. Amidst the mangrove maze, the spotted deer embody the essence of survival, their keen senses finely tuned to detect the slightest rustle in the underbrush. A delicate dance of grace and alertness, these creatures contribute to the ebb and flow of life in the Sundarbans. On this tranquil afternoon, the cheetahs, adorned in their dappled coats, race along the river's edge, blissfully ignorant of the silent presence that lurks beneath the surface, the elusive and formidable crocodile. Far away around 200 meters, a silent crocodile patiently awaits its moment. It scans the riverbank, calculating the perfect opportunity for a stealthy ambush. It makes a move. In this high-stakes riverside drama, the cheetahs remain blissfully unaware. As one of the deer approached the water's edge to cross, the croc seized the opportunity. With a sudden burst of speed, it lunged from the water, jaws wide open, and clamped down on the unsuspecting doe. The other deer scattered, her hoofs pounding against the earth in a desperate escape, and frantic alarm calls followed. With a powerful twist of its body, the croc dragged the doe back into the water, disappearing beneath the surface. The once calm river now rolled with ripples as the croc submerged with her prize. The forest fell silent, save for the distant calls of other creatures echoing through the trees. Sundarban, the story of that sunset hunt would be whispered through the leaves, a reminder of the relentless dance between predator and prey. For in the wilderness, where survival is a constant struggle, each creature plays its role in the intricate and unforgiving theater of nature. And so, beneath the moonlit canopy, the circle of life continued, unyielding and indifferent to the tales of the hunted and the hunter.
Today what we witnessed was something elegant, something extraordinary. We witnessed a live kill of a deer by a crocodile, and I think this kind of incidents are a very rare phenomenon in the mangrove. We were completely thrilled, and only our team and another boat got that view, and it was really something we are taking back with us. So, as you know that the saltwater crocodiles are the biggest and the most ferocious out of the many across the world. Their next neighbors are the Nile crocodiles. Saltwater crocodiles are found here in Sundarbans, in near Asia, in the Indian subcontinent, and in Australia.
Rising sea levels and changing climate patterns pose a severe risk to the Sundarbans, leading to increased salinity, altered habitats, and more frequent extreme weather events. Unplanned development, deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable fishing practices are degrading the Sundarbans ecosystems. Industrial and agricultural runoff, oil spills, and plastic pollution can harm the Sundarbans' delicate ecosystems and wildlife. Collective efforts, both on a local and global scale, are crucial to safeguard the Sundarbans for future generations. Every small action contributes to the larger goal of preserving this invaluable World Heritage treasure.